and lovely recipes that people are always surprised of and always love is my surprise lentil salad. And the reason I like this is because it's 5-minute prep time. Lentils are something that you find in every recipe and every menu in France. It's one of our staples. First of all, we eat it for New Year's, and we eat lentils also the first of every month to bring us good luck and prosperity, and the French are very superstitious. So one of the things that I go to all the time as a great appetizer, also for a luncheon, is the lentils. And the reason I like it is that lentils, you put them on the stove with water and you leave it alone. So that gives you time to prepare so many other things as you're getting your kitchen ready, your beautiful table setting ready, your home ready, if you're getting everything else ready. This is an easy go-to. So what I've done is I take a bag of lentils and then I double the water and I put it on the stove, a little bit of salt right there and pepper so the salt cooks in with it as it's boiling. Then you reduce it, cover it, leave it alone for 45 minutes. I'd say check it once in a while, make sure you have enough water because they absorb the water. But you leave it for 45 minutes. Then for 5 minutes you're going to chop up peppers, cilantro, cut up your feta cheese, and make some bacon, which I had left over from my brie, and get out your arugula. That's it. So here's the presentation. This is really, really, really easy. Ready? Here's the arugula from the farmer's market, which I love, right here. So I'm going to put this over here. The arugula right there. Here we go. So I'm going to take the arugula. Look at that. So I'm making a bed of arugula, which is always beautiful. People love arugula. Bed of arugula. And I'm taking the lentils. I like black lentils for a reason. They're crunchier. They're not as mushy as the other lentils. Black lentils or dark green lentils are a specialty, which I love. Look at that. So I'm doing the lentils right here over the bed of arugula. On this, I am putting yellow peppers. This is the 5-minute recipe, I'm not kidding. Yellow peppers, red peppers, chopped up cilantro. Whoopsie, cilantro right there. For the feta cheese, always a delight for people. Now, if you have vegetarians, I would not put the following that I'm about to put on it. Here it is. I put the crispy bacon that I just cooked. If you have vegan or vegetarians, don't do this, but if you have carnivores, go ahead and put the bacon over it. Now look at that. Is that not beautiful? Here we go. Again, the lentils cook themselves. You have nothing to do, just add the water, they cook themselves, then you add this over it. What I add for this over it is I like to just simple dressing so that you have all the flavors. Add a nice virgin olive oil. Right here, I drizzle it over it. Right, a little bit more because it needs a little bit more for the arugula. And you know, in Italy, the arugula salad is only olive oil, salt, and lemon, so I keep this flavor going through so that all this medley of flavors go. I sprinkle the salt over it. And the final piece is the lemon. Voila, is the lemon. And I just go like that over it. There you go. It's beautiful, it's light, it's refreshing, it's easy, and your guests will see, wow, this is delicious. The lentils, where'd that come out of? So it's a beautiful appetizer for your guests. It's refreshing, it's beautiful, it's very different. It's a great appetizer. That along with the other things that you have prepared for your appetizers or for your hors d'oeuvres. This is a beautiful go-to fast again. I did this in less than 5 minutes. That's gonna be so delicious. Whoops, okay, so, whoops. I don't know, it just dropped, something just dropped. So I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna put the baked bean. Look at that, so beautiful.